Nĩ Uthurimi wa tabarĩra ya waki wa nyũmba cia raithi mwena wa MUKURU gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi ũrĩa ũtongoririo nĩ mwandĩki MUKARU rũhonge-inĩ rwa waki wa nyũmba Charles HINGA. Kuringana na HINGA, tabarĩra-inĩ ya waki wa nyũmba ya MUKURU, nyũmba 5,000 nĩ irĩkĩte na itanyĩtwo kũneanwo kũrĩ ene nĩ President William RUTO ihinda-inĩ rĩa kiumia kĩmwe gĩũkĩte.
Even though the people that are living here are people that are coming from the slum, we are giving them a high quality of living, which is what Kenyans asked when we set up the Vision 2030. We say that by the year 2030, we want to have a high quality of life.
Where we have provided all the facilities, we've given the hospitals, we have fire engines, we have a fire station, we have a police station, we have schools, we have even ECD centers. And all these facilities are going to help improve the livelihoods of our people.
For a moment, this looked like mere talk. It looked like a dream. Now we are living that dream. And what is happening here is happening across the country.
Nĩguo kwagĩrithia mĩikarĩre ya arĩa magũkorwo cikaro-inĩ ici, thirikari nĩ ĩrĩkĩtie gwaka ceceni ya borithi, thibitarĩ, thukuru ya mũingĩ ũndũ ũmwe na nduka nene ya mall.
All these facilities, including the hospital, including the fire station and the police, they are all served with piped gas. Okay, so that is, and every unit has that. There is high-speed fiber connectivity in every unit. That also comes in at an affordable rate.
The new MUKURU police station is ready for us to occupy, and together with the officers from the National Police Service, we have requested for a few adjustments so that then it's fit for purpose, and we are looking forward to occupying the police station.
Rũhonge rwa waki wa nyũmba rũgatetera tabarĩra ici rũkiuga ica ikuĩ tabarĩra ĩno ĩgũkorwo na manyũmba matanyihirie 13,000 ikĩguna aikari makĩria ya 52,000. Tabarĩra ingĩ mwena wa Makongeni gĩtanywo gũkorwo irĩ na maita matatũ ma tabarĩra ya MUKURU.
Initially, when we were taking the levy and when the construction is starting, people are asking, where are you taking our money? As you can see, your money is being put to good use.
There will also be CCTV coverage within the estate, and that is also meant to help us with policing.
Handũ-inĩ ya KUMIA TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.